Okay. What's that? 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. 10. That's number 1, yeah, 1 and 0. Number. Okay, you go to the other chart. Next, here. You move here top. What's this? What letter is that? Letter A is for? Next. B is for? B. Next. C is for? Cat. Next. D. D is for? Next. What letter is that? E is for? Egg. Next. Letter F is for? Fish. Next. G is for? G is for what? What animal is that? Come on. G is for? Goat. Next. What? What letter? H. H is for? Next. Next letter. What letter is that? I is for? Igloo. Next. Letter. J is for? J is for? Jar. Very good. Next. What's next? What letter is that next? Letter? No, this one. Here, here. What letter is this? K. K is for? Right. Next letter. L is for? L is for? L is for what? What animal is that? L is for? Lion. Next. What letter? Next letter. M. M is for? Mouse. Next letter. Letter? Come on. Where's the dog? You want to slide? Come on. I'll get the ball. Shoot the ball. You dunk the ball. Okay. Not that one. Come on. Christoph. Come on. Ride your car, come on. Daddy will dance. Come on, turn on the music. Come on. You want Daddy to dance? Christoph, you want Daddy to dance? Come on, ride your car, Daddy will dance. No? Open. The other one. No. Come on, open. Turn it on. The other one, open. Turn it on. No, the other one. The other switch. Press. You press it one. Press the switch. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay, Daddy will dance. Restop dance also. Dance. And more. Seesaw? You want to ride seesaw? Okay, number 1. Next. Next number. 3. Okay. I know what you're doing. Here you go. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye, Daddy.
Daddy?
Bye, Daddy.
Daddy James? What's my name, Daddy? What's my name, Daddy? Stop. Okay. Daddy? Okay. Here. A nose. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, stop. Oh, you want to ride? Oh, come on, ride the seesaw. Seesaw. Love you. Bye-bye, stop. Say bye-bye. Come on. Oh, who's that?